Certifications have served as a stepping stone for anybody seeking to advance in their careers, whether they are beginners or seasoned professionals. According to Robert Half's 2021 IT salary report, IT professionals with certifications earn 5% to 10% more than their peers. So, in this video, we'll go over the finest certifications that can help you attain a good compensation package. Next up, we have number 5, Big Data. Big Data is a discipline that permits the analysis, extraction, and management of massive and complex data collections. The following are some common certifications that you can pursue. The Associate Certified Analytics Professional Credential allows you to begin the analytics process. It focuses on many analytics areas such as business issue framing, analytics problem framing, and many more. You could also pick up the CCP Data Engineer Certification. This certificate allows you to demonstrate your knowledge of ingesting, transforming, storing, and analyzing data in Cloudera's CDH environment. A big data engineer can earn $121,000 to $251,000 per annum in the United States. In India, he or she can earn close to 12.3 lakh to 33 lakh rupees per annum with the right certification. At number 4, we have digital marketing. Businesses can only succeed if their targeted customers are aware of their product or services. Thus, digital marketing is an essential component of every company's operations. As the area of marketing has evolved in the digital era, the demand for experts who have been trained in new abilities has increased substantially. A digital marketing certification can help you hone the skills such as SEO, PPC, web analytics, content marketing, and social media. Let's now have a look at some of the best certifications you can pick up. First off, you can take up Simplilearn's Digital Marketing Specialist Master's certification. Or you can take up certifications such as Google Ads certification, Google Analytics certification, and Hubspot Content Marketing Certification. All of these certifications touch upon concepts of digital marketing such as SEO, content marketing, PPC, digital analytics, social media, and so much more. A digital marketing manager could earn $60,000 to $160,000 in the United States and up to 7 lakh to 16 lakh rupees per annum in India. Next, we have number 3, data science. It is a branch of computer science that integrates scientific techniques, algorithms, and systems to extract information and insights from organized and unstructured data. Let's look at a few top certifications that you can pick up for this domain. First and foremost, there is IBM's Data Science Professional Certification. This IBM-backed certification may help you get started with data science, Python, SQL, data analysis and visualization, building machine learning tools, and much more. HarvardX's Data Science Professional Certificate is another option for accreditation. It will cover R programming, data visualization, essential data science tools, machine learning methods, probability, inference, and much more. By choosing the right certification, a data scientist can earn up to $115,000 to $246,000 in the United States and 8.2 lakh to 20 lakh in India. Now for number 2, let's have a look at cloud computing. No other area of IT has produced as much hype, excitement, and investment as cloud computing during the last decade. According to IDC, by next year, cloud will attain a growth rate of 22% and a value of $277 billion. And because of this, there will undoubtedly be a high demand for cloud experts. Some of the popular cloud computing certifications you can pick up are the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate Certification. This certification will enhance your ability to architect, deploy, and secure applications on AWS, to use the appropriate architecture designs, and much more. You can also look into the Microsoft Certified Azure Administration Certification, which is ideal for people who want to manage cloud services that cover storage, security, networking, and cloud capabilities. A cloud computing engineer can earn up to $145,000 to $227,000 in the United States and earn close to 16 lakh to 24 lakh rupees in India with the right certification. And finally, we're at number 1, AI and machine learning. What if machines can provide you with optimal, data-driven decisions by perceiving patterns in previous data sets? How amazing will this be, right? This astounding fact about AI and ML domain has made it one of the most popular career choices. In the previous year's trends, AI has shown a staggering 344% growth, and the right certification can help you do wonders in this amazing domain. A few of them are Simplilearn's postgraduate program in AI and machine learning, created in partnership with Purdue University and in collaboration with IBM. Covers a number of concepts like statistics, Python, machine learning, deep learning networks, NLP, reinforcement learning, and more. Machine Learning AI certification by Stanford, available on Coursera, is also a good resource. This course includes an introduction to machine learning, data mining, statistical pattern recognition, the best practices in machine learning and AI, etc. An AI engineer can earn $140,000 to $386,000 in the United States and 6 to 20 lakh rupees in India. With that, we've reached the end of this video. Do you agree with our list? Think we missed anything important? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.